Screen mirroring is an effective way to check your iPhone content on a big screen. But the issue arises when screen mirroring stops working on your iPhone. That can be irritating. If you are also not able to mirror your iPhone on a big screen, then this video is for you. First and foremost, you must check device compatibility before starting screen mirroring on your iPhone. If the TV or monitor doesn't have AirPlay support, it won't appear on your iPhone. Most modern TVs and smart monitors have AirPlay support built in. You'll need to look for the AirPlay icon on your TV box or the TV model's product description online. The next fix may sound very basic, but it fixes most of the common glitches and problems on its own. Yes, you should restart your iPhone and try to mirror again to see if that fixes the issue. It is equally important to use the same Wi-Fi network when you are screen sharing or screen mirroring to an external TV or monitor. If one of the devices is connected to a different Wi-Fi network, screen mirroring won't work on iPhone. Speaking of Wi-Fi networks, another important factor to consider is the type of Wi-Fi network that you are using for both devices. If your TV or monitor supports a 5 GHz Wi-Fi frequency band, opt for it for a reliable and robust connection. You may face glitches during screen mirroring on a slower 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi frequency. VPN can be another factor that may interfere with your devices. An active VPN connection modifies the IP address on your phone and TV. If one of your devices is on a VPN connection, disable it. To close the VPN connection, open the preferred VPN app that you are using on your iPhone and kill the connection. Glitches in network settings may lead to issues with screen mirroring on your iPhone. You need to reset your network settings and try again. Here's how to do it. Open Settings on your iPhone and navigate to General. Now tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset and tap on Reset Network Settings. Confirm the prompt, and that's it. Do note that iOS will delete all the saved Wi-Fi networks, VPN profiles, and Bluetooth connections from your iPhone. Lastly, if none of the fixes work, then you can try to update your phone software to see if a recent bug could have caused the mirror option to break down. To update your iPhone software, open Settings and go to General. Now tap on Software Update. iOS will download and install the update if there is any available. Then check if the mirror issue has been resolved. Hopefully, you are now able to mirror your iPhone to an external TV or monitor. If you like this guide, make sure to follow and subscribe to Guiding Tech for more tutorials related to your everyday technology. And make sure to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.